Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to use a different method for the screen lock, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down, then go to lock screen and AOD, and then over here choose screen lock type. If you want to switch to a different one, then you have four options. You have pin, password, pattern, and swipe, and then you will also see which one is the current one. So if you want to set a different one, simply select the new one. Let's say I'm gonna choose pin, and now I need to set up the pin code. I'm gonna set a simple one, re-enter the same pin code, and press OK. And there we go. Now, in addition to that, we will also find some additional options. Most of them, if not all of them, are they're all related to notifications. So we can press done, and there we go. We also have secure lock settings if needed. So if we enter the pin code, then here we have secure lock settings. You can go through them one by one if needed. And we also have extend unlock, which can be described over here, or is actually described over here, which keeps the device unlocked when it's with you. So we can press got it. And then over here we have on body detection, trusted places, and trusted devices. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.